Hi, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the weekly communication assignment titled The Student as Teacher. I will be using week 1 as an example, as all of the weekly communication assignments are the same. So what are they all about? Well, every week, according to these directions here, you're going to do either one or two below. One is to write me a weekly email via the Canvas inbox in the left menu, which is over here, or you're going to visit me during Zoom office hours, which are over here in Zoom. So why are you going to send me an email? Why are you going to visit me? Well, this is where this amazing quotation from Pedagogy of the Oppressed, renowned Brazilian educator Paulo Freire's 1968 treatise about how to teach comes into effect. Through dialogue, the teacher of the students and the students of the teacher cease to exist, and a new term emerges, teacher-student with students-teachers. So what does that mean? Well, through the email you'll send me or visiting me during Zoom office hours, you're going to let me know how you're doing in this class, and you're going to let me know if this class is working for you. Are the assignments clear? Does what you're learning seem meaningful? A skill or knowledge that you can use in other classrooms and in real life. I need to hear from you. You need to teach me how to teach this class, how to make sure that it's meaningful. So I want to know not only how you are, any problems you're encountering, but how I am, how I can make this class better. I want to learn from you. Okay, so that's what this assignment is all about. You'll email me here in the Canvas inbox, or you'll Zoom with me during office hours, and then you'll submit this assignment to me just by clicking on Start Assignment here and writing 1, that you sent me a weekly email, or 2, we visited during Zoom office hours. I need to hear from you. I need to know how I'm doing. I need your feedback to do the best job of which I am capable. You are the teacher student, and I am the student teacher. All right, I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox.